Fáidearab Ariist Gu Speaking Our Language. Welcome once again to Speaking Our Language. And in this programme, we'll be finding out how to say that you like or don't like something. And we'll also be talking about hobbies and sports. Today, I'm back in Gàidhlig in the Isle of Skye in Portree, King's Harbour, for the annual Highland Games this afternoon. But before that, I'll be paying a visit to Dunvegan Castle on the west coast of the island. Often when you meet people, you have to express an opinion about something. So, first of all, if you want to say that you like something, you say is talum, followed by whatever it is you're talking about. Is talum in Chélan Sciahanoch. I like the Isle of Skye.
Is talum human away.
Is talum Coronation Street?
Coronation Street? Oh, yeah. Stalum take the high road agus top of the pops.
Is Tullum take the high road?
Is Stalum Scotswood?
Stalum Scotsford, Kucha. Agus Taggart. Taggart? Stalum Taggart, Kucha.
Is talum. I like. Is talum.
While the boys were discussing their favourite programmes just now, two of them used the word cúteach, also or as well. Listen out for cúteach in this next piece, as well as the phrase is talum.
Is Stalum human away.
Is talum Coronation Street?
Coronation Street? Oh, yeah. Stalum take the high road agus top of the pops.
Is Tullum take the high road?
Is Stalum Scotswood?
Stalum Scotsford, Kucha. Agus Taggart. Taggart? Stalum Taggart, Kucha.
This is the village of Dunvegan behind me, and the castle is just up the road. Fishing is a popular sport, but there are plenty of others to choose from.
Is talum Snav?
Snav. Swimming. Snav.
Stalum Iascoch.
Iascoch. Fishing. Iascoch. Stalum Cockrock. Cockrock. Cooking. Cockrock. Stalum Driving. Drivig. Driving. Drivig.
Is talum drivig. I like driving.
Is talum Snav?
Stalum Iascoch.
Stalum Cockrock. Stalum Drivig.
There are plenty of things we don't like doing, and to say I don't like something, you say cha talum. Cha talum.
Talum Iascoch.
Wil je verkeer Jushka?
Ha, tapali.
Catch a gold shave furroch.
Pert.
Ian, Jushka.
Tá leif.
Challam, give me that Seamus. Leave on.
Show. Well, ga tell him Gàidhlig.
Catalium snob.
Listen to those scenes again and watch out for Catalaum.
Catalam Yasko.
Wil je verkeerde Jushka?
Ha tapali. Catch a shave furroch. Penart.
Ian, Jushka.
I believe. Challam, give me that Seamus. Leave on.
Show. Well, ga tell him Gàidhlig.
Catalium snob.
Dunvegan Castle, Castell Dunvegan, has been the seat of the Clan MacLeod for over 750 years. The oldest part of the castle dates back to the third chief, Malcolm, around 1350. There are countless artefacts within these walls, including these pipes, which belong to the last of the MacCrimmons. For centuries, the MacCrimmons of Boreg were pipers to the chiefs of MacLeod. One famous heroine associated with Skye is Flora MacDonald, who helped Bonnie Prince Charlie to escape. It's fascinating to see some of Flora's belongings, as well as a lock of the unfortunate prince's hair. This is the castle dungeon where they used to keep prisoners, and I don't much fancy the thought of being stuck in there. This piece of silk dates back to sometime between the 4th and 7th century and is the source of the legendary story about Dunvegan Castle. It's called, in Gaelic, An Bratoch Shi. Ian, the 4th chief of the Clan MacLeod, fell in love and married a fairy. They lived together for 20 years before she had to return to fairyland. Their final parting was at this bridge, and her gift to him was a banner now known as the fairy flag. She asked him to guard it because it had the power, when unfurled, to save the MacLeod clan from destruction 3 times. Legend says that the flag has, in the past, saved the MacLeods. Well, I'm just about to leave Dunvegan and head for Portree. But before then, let's catch up with the MacLeods in our drama Eginthy. And look out for the question, An Talive, do you like? An Talive.
That live chop suey!
Still. Daddy! Daddy!
And that live cook!
Still.
Tolv lager.
And Talive. Do you like? And Talive? Is Tull? Is Tull? Yes, Yes, I do like. Is tal.
And tallaigh, do you like? And the answer given was is tal. Yes. Watch out also for the word used at the end, ichir, at all. Ichir. Chatalam Glasgow ichir. I don't like Glasgow at all.
That live job, Zoe!
Tal. Daddy! Daddy!
And that live cook!
Tal. Tal of lager.
Mami, Gatal yn Glasgow. Gatal yn Glasgow I just.
How interested are you in sport? Balcosha, football, Balcosha. Hello, Kimmer Hashif.
Hakama.
And tell us Balcosha.
Stal.
And tell us Balcosha.
Istal.
Istal. But what about other sports?
En dan of Balcosha?
Oh, Estelle.
Wil je verkeerde koffie?
Ha, tapelev, koffie too.
Sugar?
Ga, me say tolle.
Stel hem sugar, goed.
Golf clubs for sale. And hull of golf.
Still? Until I've Iman.
Still.
In Tallaigh, Iman, do you like shinty? Still? Yes. To say no, you say chatal. Chatal. How many people are saying no in the following situations? Watch out for chatal.
Until I've Iman.
Still.
En dan of Balcosha?
Oh, Estelle.
Wil je verkeerde koffie?
Ha, tapelev, koffie too.
Sugar?
Ga, me say tolle.
Stel hem sugar, goed.
A ton of rugby.
Tatal.
A ton of Balcosha.
Hatel.
Until I've Iman.
Hatal.
Hey.
Hamikiri Pinj.
Cleaver.
How many did you make it? I counted 3. Listen to those again.
And talamh rugby.
Catal.
And talamh balba kosher.
Hatal.
Dyla fe mae'n. Hatal.
Dee.
Ha me geri pinge.
Cleaver.
Hello.
Hello.
Yn halaf postri.
Istal.
Gamalishgal, Kwasa Harshiv, and Postri, and Pellet Postri. Stel, Leva, Tapelov.
Hello, catchavel shiva fiddo.
Portree.
And talamh postri.
Stel.
Gleva tapelov.
Gomalishgal yn halaf postri.
Hatel.
Catchable shiva furoch.
And a glassco.
Yn halaf glasfw.
Stel.
Glefa. Tapelif. Yn talaif furoch awn yn Glasgow. Do you like living in Glasgow? Is talaw furoch awn yn Glasgow? I like living in Glasgow. It's a pity Ellie doesn't feel the same way yet.
Tomato.
Hatolum waffles.
Hatolum kokerok.
Hatalum Glasgow. Hatalum Radstaff Pollock. Hello? Tracy, hi. Oh, Hagama. Oh, Stellum Glasgow. Stellum Radstaff Pollock. Nepal Zakam. Well.
Nepal's agam, my pals. I'll give you a word for pals another time. Listen again.
Hello? Tracy, hi. Oh, Hagama. Oh, Stellum Glasgow. Stellum Radstaff Pollock. Nepal Zakam. Well.
Oh, hello. Ellie.
Oh, hi, Natalie. Hi, Anna. Until of 10-pin bowling. Stan. Cheery. Cheery.
I'm afraid it's packing up time. In our next programme, we'll be teaching you how to say whether or not you have any children and how many you have. Until then, from a very windy Portree, it's goodbye. Mar sin live and rasta.
In this programme, we introduced you to Istalom. Istalom. Chatalom. Chatalom. Antalive. Antalive. Istal. Istal. Chatal. Chatal. Ijer. Ijer.